Hey guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran to my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. Today I'll be making some chocolate covered strawberries. And here I'm working with some white chocolate and dark chocolate. And here are my strawberries. And I'm gonna show you guys how to melt your chocolate. This is the dark chocolate and over on the stove. And guys, in just a pot with water, you put it to boil and you put your chocolate in a glass container and just melt your chocolate. Or you can just stick it in the microwave, okay guys? So while this is melting, I'm gonna be working on my chocolate covered strawberries. So guys, after removing your strawberries from your water, make sure they're nice and clean. In cold water, you pat dry. Make sure they're dry, guys. Nice and dry. And then you just roll them in your chocolate, your melted chocolate. And sit them on the side. This is the best time of year to do this, guys. These strawberries are huge and very sweet. Who doesn't like chocolate covered strawberries? So guys, you're going to do that to all your strawberries and let them sit until your chocolate is dry. And I'll show you guys the next step. Guys, this white chocolate is not white enough for me. But you guys get the concept. So just on a piece of parchment paper, you just stick your strawberries after your dark chocolate and put it to dry before adding your white chocolate. This more look like cream chocolate, huh?
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes